Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY-themed photo backdrops. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, wedding, or any special event, these backdrops will not only enhance your decor, but also create amazing photo opportunities for you and your guests. Plus, they're easy to make and can be customized to fit any theme. Let's get started. First, let's talk about planning your backdrop. Think about the theme of your event. Are you going for a tropical vibe, a vintage look, or something whimsical? Consider colors, patterns, and materials that complement your overall decor. A well-planned backdrop sets the tone for your event and makes it memorable. Don't forget to consider the space where you'll set it up. Make sure it's large enough for your guests to gather in front of it. Here are some materials you might need: fabric, cotton, tulle, or burlap, streamers in various colors, paper flowers or tissue paper, scissors, tape or glue, and a backdrop stand or wall space to hang your creation. Feel free to mix and match materials based on your theme. You can also add embellishments like glitter or sequins for extra flair. Segment 3. Creating a fabric backdrop. For our first backdrop, we'll use fabric. Choose a solid color or pattern fabric that matches your theme. For example, if you're going for a beach theme, light blues and sandy colors work beautifully. Hang the fabric on a wall using tape or clips. Make sure it's smooth and free of wrinkles for a polished look. If you want a more dramatic effect, consider layering different fabrics or using multiple panels. To elevate this backdrop, consider adding fairy lights for a magical glow or layering different fabrics for texture. You can also attach decorative items like seashells or flowers that match your theme. Remember to step back and assess how it looks from a distance. Sometimes small adjustments can make a big difference. Also, consider how it will look in photos. Test it out with your camera beforehand if possible. Segment 4. Making a streamer backdrop. Next up is a fun streamer backdrop. Cut streamers into varying lengths for a playful look. Longer streamers can create a cascading effect while shorter ones add fullness. Hang the streamers from top to bottom in a cascading fashion. You can alternate colors to create patterns or stick with one color for a more cohesive look. For added dimension, try twisting some streamers as you hang them. This vibrant backdrop is perfect for photos. Add props like oversized sunglasses or hats for extra fun. Encourage guests to get creative with their poses. When the party's over, streamers can be easily removed and recycled. Consider using biodegradable options if you're environmentally conscious. Segment 5. Crafting paper flower backdrops. Now let's make some beautiful paper flowers. Start by cutting tissue paper into squares. About 6 layers thick works well. Fold them accordion style and secure them in the center with wire or string. Carefully pull apart each layer of tissue paper to fluff out the flower shape. This creates lovely blooms that are perfect for any backdrop. Once you have your flowers, arrange them on your backdrop. You can create clusters or spread them out evenly. Get creative. Consider mixing sizes and colors for visual interest. Secure each flower with tape or glue. This colorful backdrop will be stunning in photos. You can also add greenery like leaves or vines for an extra touch. And there you have it, 3 fabulous DIY-themed photo backdrops that will elevate any event. These projects are simple, fun, and sure to impress your guests. Remember, the key is creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and designs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Share your own themed backdrops in the comments below. We'd love to see them. Happy crafting!